sometimes we forget this, but we are in a global water crisis. Currently, over 1 billion people around the world lack consistent access to clean water and really only have the choice of drink dirty water or die, which is horrible. And I think the number is 1 child under 5 dies a minute due to unclean water. A civil engineering sophomore at University of Buffalo named Deshawn Henry has invented an inexpensive way to purify polluted water of 99.9% of pathogens that doesn't seem to be very difficult to do. Let's take a look at it. So it's 6 feet tall, topped with 2x4s. Plastic sheeting, and basically it focuses on a treatment container for the water. It's inexpensive. So basically he's magnifying the heat of the sun to heat a liter of water to about 130 to 150 degrees Fahrenheit in about an hour. You do have to move the bottle as the sun moves in the sky, but I think the best part about this is how accessible it would be.
It's really cool in that a sophomore at university did this. Yeah. I think that's pretty cool.
Well, we've talked about other ways of cleaning water and desalinating water, and a lot of times, sometimes they'll be very successful, but it'll be kind of hard to make, and we'll have to send at least people to build it, if not maintain whatever solution we're using, be it simple like this or with some kind of chips or machinery.
Yeah, and I mean, I know that this isn't quite, they said it cleans a liter per hour, and it's just enough to meet 1/3 of the demand for a family of 5. So I'm sure now that this is around, there'll be ways to improve this. But just to have a start is really cool. Now, should you ship this stuff places, you have to worry about whether or not, like often other aid, someone's going to take it and use it for themselves.
Well, it's
just to control the populace,
Yeah, but the thing is, the good thing about it is that maybe they could easily build another one.
Yeah.
So this was just a summer project for Deshawn. It wasn't like, this is my senior thesis project. He just built it. So, maybe he could improve it if he really put his mind to it.
And that's what he wants to do. He wants to keep working with it. The challenges that he's facing right now is that he could heat and clean more water if he was able to put more water up top to be the lens, but that would require a thicker, sturdier plastic, which would be more opaque, which would cut down on the sun going through, so he's got to find that balance. Plus, the better you are at heating water, the more you lose to evaporation, so you have to toe that line as well.
With some kind of containment.
He wants to get it to the point where it does meet the needs for a family of 5 in its entirety, so they don't have to boil water and gather fuel and, pollute the air with smoke and fire and soot and whatnot.
Yeah, I mean, we're trying to find that balance, as we sometimes forget how much of a dire crisis it is and how hard it is for some people in developing nations to find clean water that will not kill them slowly, if not quickly.
I mean, we watch shows like Naked and Afraid, where you put a couple of, well-to-do white people out in the bush with little to nothing, but that's how, like, a good portion of Africa's population lives all the time, every day.
Yeah, and just something this simple could change so many lives. I think it's really, really cool.
Yeah, agreed.
So good on you, Deshawn Henry, and maybe do this for another month and you'll have it even better. I don't know. He's an engineer. He'll figure it out. If not, other engineers collaborating or working and building on this project. And it is an important mission to have. Please let us know what you think below in the comments, and please be sure to subscribe.